Hi, everyone. It's Ann Louise yet again, and I'm on the Radical Metabolism Revolution Trail. And I'm here today with Cindy that has done remarkably well on Radical Metabolism. Cindy, tell me your story. You had been on every other diet under the sun. What was your experience with Radical Metabolism?
Well, I started Radical Metabolism in September of 2018. I had followed you on Facebook. Like I said, I had tried everything. I went through menopause in 2014, and I had my gallbladder out in 2016, and nothing I did from then on worked. I could not lose any weight. I've tried everything. 1,000 calories a day. I didn't eat. I fasted. Nothing worked. My weight stayed exactly where it was. And I saw it. I read your intro. I read the intro of the book, and I thought, Amelia, I could just change her name to me, to Cindy. I was just like, my God, there, she wrote this book for me. And of course I was skeptical because I had tried so many other things, but you know, I was to the point, I'm doing it. And I went and got the book. I went and bought things. I was intrigued because it was interesting too. The medical background, I learned a lot. And I also, I learned about things I never knew about health-wise. I've never eaten organic food. I didn't know any of the oils, the healthy oils, even though I did Atkins for years. I just ate the Atkins way. You know, you ate fat, you ate dairy, you ate the meats, but I didn't.
Yes. And now, Cindy, people are doing a lot of keto. So would you suggest that this is a healthier version of keto?
Oh, yes. Oh, for sure. They were trying to get me to do keto before I found Radical Metabolism. A lot of my friends had gone on the keto band, and I said, you know, it's very similar to Atkins, and I didn't want to, I knew it wouldn't work for me. I said, there's something going on in my body, and I have to fix it. So I started following this, and I've had great success. I learned a lot, and I'm just excited. I'm excited to tell everyone of the excess.
Okay, so in terms of weight, and you went through menopause.
Right.
Have you seen a difference in your menopause that we're all concerned about? The little belly that we all get.
Yes. Well, my stomach is getting back to what it used to be. I've lost over 40 pounds in the 5 months that I've been on that.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
We have to do a really
That was
how long did it take
for me. Excuse me?
How long did it take? 40 pounds in 5 months?
The 40 pounds came off probably after around 4 months.
Wow.
And I've kept it off. I'm still trying to lose 10 more pounds. I'm doing it slowly. I have not done any real exercise per se. I do have a lot of
exercising.
No exercise. But I do have energy, so I do things like paint the side of my house, clean my basement out, things like that. So I have the energy to do that I didn't have before, because I would come home and be like, oh, I don't feel like doing anything. And now I come home, I'm like, oh, what can I do? Oh, I think I'll take all the curtains down and wash them today or something, which I never felt like I wanted to do anything. I feel like I'm back to me again. I feel good. And I'm excited about that.
Now, you don't have a gallbladder, so I want you to tell everybody what you're doing, because one of the reasons I wrote this book is that so many women over the age of 40 and, of course, over the age of 50, they get their gallbladders out. Sometimes, of course, it's 100% necessary. And the question is then, what do you do to support the missing gallbladder that you learned about in Radical Metabolism?
Oh, well, I take the BioBuilder.
Number 1, which has all of the nutrients that you need to metabolize fat to help your body do it naturally. That's excellent. What about your diet? Did you change anything?
My diet? Yes. Oh, yes. I eat all the healthy oils now. I eat the bitters, the digestive. I do digestive bitters. I eat all the bitter greens. I eat the grass-fed, organic, everything that as healthy as I could possibly eat. I follow the guidelines of the book. I'm pretty faithful with it. and I see results. I'm very good about, because I'm seeing results, I follow it, and I know it's going to work, and I know it is working, and I'm seeing results. I also had a lot of health benefits. My A1C dropped from 6.4 down to 5.6. I am no longer pre-diabetic.
No longer pre-diabetic. That's huge. Yeah. And how long did that take? Do you think?
For me, that made me so happy, and my husband's very happy about that.
Huge.
Sugar junkie prior to this, and I've changed. I have changed everything, and my health is no migraines in 4 months. And I had migraines several times a week. I have not had a migraine in 4 months, and that's amazing for me too.
So you know something, what you're telling me is that this is not just about weight loss, but this is a healing diet. You see, unlike keto, this is very healing. This is a detoxification diet, and it's good for your skin, your hair, your nails.
Yes. My hair even got curlier.
Oh my gosh.
I know. My husband goes, "What happened to your hair?" I said, "I don't know. It's curly."
So it's really, it's a balancing kind of diet, which brings everything back into harmony, from your gut to your brain, to your breast, to your tummy, to your gallbladder.
Yeah, my blood pressure has dropped. I mean, my doctor is thrilled. She's thrilled with the results. She told me, keep doing whatever you're doing. And she wants to see me again in 3 months and redo my blood work again. And she's expecting even better results than we had the last time. So
well,
I'm a new person. I feel
a lot of energy. You've got so much energy, and that's why it's so important to have somebody with this kind of energy spreading the word. So what do people say now when you tell them you did Radical Metabolism?
They want to know about it, and I end up buying them books. I said, I'm going to buy you the books because it for what it did for me, it's worth the investment for my friends and family. And I go on Amazon and I ship it right to their house, so I make sure that they get it. And they want to know, and they're going to do it. They're excited just like me.
Wonderful, wonderful. What I wanted to say in closing, and you're so energetic, which is so heartwarming. What I want to say to our audience is that health is the greatest gift that we have. Yes. And health is a commodity that so many of us use up for the first 60 years of our life in order to gain wealth, after which we use up all of our wealth to try and recapture our health. But Cindy has done this with Radical Metabolism, and you can too. So I want to thank everybody for joining us today and say goodbye, good luck. Get the book, radicalmetabolism.com. Thank you, Cindy.
You are welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.